Hi there. So 2020 was quite a weird year. I believe it was very hard on everyone, but I think more than ever many people need more like jolly, festive Christmas spirit this year. The house you can see behind me. Uh, for many years my neighbor was decorating his house for Christmas, and he was like one of the very few people around who were doing that. He's been gathering his lights for years. He's buying new stuff every year, so yeah, at some point it got that big, which is very nice. My son loves it. He comes here every night and runs around here. Yeah, it's like he wasn't planning to do that this year, but he thought that people need that, especially kids around need some joy, some hope this year. So he did that for the community, and yeah, apart from him we can see that many people are putting decoration. Many people have put decorations around their houses. I'm also one of them, and I will show you around the neighborhood. So please enjoy. Now that you saw a little bit of my neighborhood, and you're probably aware that because of the restrictions many events were cancelled in 2020. So one of them is Edinburgh Christmas Market. We've been going there every year since we moved here, and it's the first time we can't go, and it's also the first time when I was planning to actually record it properly and make a video to put on YouTube, but it is what it is. So I decided to use like my test footage from 2018 and 2019 and do a quick montage of Christmas market, how it looks like, how it looked like in the past 2 years. So hopefully you will enjoy that, and before we get to that, I would like to wish you all a Merry Christmas and try to enjoy it as much as possible, even though it is hard this year. But at least we have a possibility for some video conferences, and we can see our family like that. And imagine if it was like 50 years ago, when it was not, well, when people didn't have that possibility. So all the best for Christmas and the New Year. Let's hope that it will be a better one. Enjoy the Christmas market. you.